In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is an incredibly useful tool if you ever need to capture and share specific sections of a PDF document with others. It's quick, simple, and can be done in just a few easy steps. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Reader. To do this, simply double-click your PDF file if Acrobat is your default PDF viewer, or right-click on the file and select Open With to choose Adobe Acrobat Reader from the list of programs. Once your document is open, you'll see the familiar interface of Acrobat Reader with your PDF displayed in front of you. Next, to access the Snapshot tool, you'll need to click on the hamburger menu. This is that three-line icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu which provides you access to a variety of tools and options in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once the menu is open, look for an option labeled Undo, Redo, and More. This section contains additional tools that aren't immediately visible in the default toolbar. Clicking on this option will further expand the menu, and you should now see an option that says Take a Snapshot. Go ahead and click it. You'll now enter into snapshot mode, and from here you can start capturing your desired section of the PDF. Using your mouse, click and drag to create a rectangle around the part of the document you want to capture. This visual representation is intuitive. It helps ensure that you're selecting exactly what you want. As you drag your mouse, you'll notice the snapshot area highlighted to provide clear feedback on what's being captured. Once you're happy with your selection, simply release the mouse button. When you do this, the selected area will be copied automatically to your clipboard. This means you can now paste this snapshot into another document, email, or any application that accepts image input. Just use the standard paste command of your operating system, which is usually Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. And there you have it. That's all it takes to capture a snapshot from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Remember, this feature is perfect for when you need to highlight specific sections of a document without sharing the entire file. Keep this handy trick in your toolkit for all your PDF related tasks. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.